review two pump sprayers that say they have foaming action. So I've been on a quest to find a foaming sprayer. I know the one that I actually want to get. I actually placed an order for it, but it won't be here for probably another week or two. So in the interim, I decided to shop my local Home Depot and Lowe's to see what they had, and I found these two. The Husqvarna professional sprayer, I found that at Lowe's. It said it has a foaming attachment. It actually has a foaming nozzle on it. And the the Deck and Home, I found that at Home Depot, and it has that white attachment on the end of it. So we're going to test out to see which one actually foams the best. Each sprayer has about 1.5 gallons of water and about 2 to 3 ounces of McGuire's car wash, so to make it equivalent. So they're using the same thing, so we're going to test them out and see which one actually foams the best. So let's get to it. Alright, so first we're going to start with the Husqvarna. Let's move this one out of the way. Alright, let's try this one. Does an okay job at foaming, sort of. It's more of it's a very light foam. So let's try the Deck and Home and see what it does. Oh, much better. This actually foams. Much better. Actually foams like it says. Interesting. I can probably change the dilution ratio. Yeah, so that one foams much better. It actually foams. So I can probably change the dilution ratio and get a slightly denser foam. But as we can see here, the 2-gallon Deck and Home sprayer actually works as intended to actually foam. The Husqvarna professional sprayer with the foaming nozzle is pretty much inadequate, and it is no comparison to the Deck and Home with its foam head on it. So there you go. So it's just a quick comparison between the two. Anybody that's looking for a decent, fairly priced, the Deck and Home unit was $19.97 at Home Depot. So a fairly inexpensive tool to help aid with cleaning your car. Foaming actually works great because it actually helps to encapsulate dirt before you actually touch the car with a wash mitt. So this is a part of your pre-stage, or you can use it to foam wheel cleaner to help aid in the pre-wash stage of that as well. So foam sprayers are actually really great. Next, once I get my IK Foam 9 sprayer, I'm going to review that and see how it compares to this fairly inexpensive unit. The IK unit, I want to say, is around $90. This one's a fair bit cheaper, so we're going to compare to see which one actually does the best for the price. So if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and until next time, thanks for watching.